Hello, everybody. I am Francesco.
Francesco,
What?
smack mommy in his face.
No, I smack you in the face. Did you like it? Huh?
No.
Why not? I smack you all day. What's that? Is that a dog over there?
Yes.
Oh my God, we have to walk the dog. Hello, Connie. Oh, come visit, Connie. Come here. Come here. Oh, hi. This is my friend Connie, everybody. You see her? Oh. Hello, Connie. Oh, ow. Oh, gee. Oh, Connie. You're crazy. Oh, oh. Oh, oh my God. Oh, oh. 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 Oh, that was just so terrible. Oh, I felt like my life flashed before my eyes, huh?
Smack mommy in the face.
No, I was just trying to be eaten by a big animal. They call it a dog. It was like a bear. It was like 1 minute she come over and she's so nice. Oh, and then the next she tried to eat me. I am so saddened by this. I can't even be on this camera anymore. Get out of my face.
Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss.
Get out. Right, shut it off.
Do.